going on, guys? On this 2014 Nisan Maxima, show you guys how to take off the trim panel, the mirror, and the handle. Let's get it. First thing first, take out that plastic piece right there, the flathead screwdriver, and get that out. Look, number 10 right here. Number 10 screw. Take it out. Number 10. You're gonna take off that piece right there. Take that piece off. There's a screw inside there. Number 10. That's either a 10 or a fillet. It's both. There's a clip down there. Take that clip out. Take out that top of there, the motor, and there is a screw down the side of there. Right here. Now, take that piece out. Just put the flathead screwdriver between the crease and pry it out of there. Now you take off the trim panel. Put your flathead screwdriver in between the trim panel and pull it out towards you. Like that. Once you loosen it up, go up with it. Up. Go ahead and take off the cable. Once you got the trim panel from out the way, go ahead for the mirror, take this piece out, just pull it out. Unplug it. Those are 3 number 10s. You want to hold it. Push that piece down right there. It comes right out. That's how you take out the mirror. That easy. Now let's do the handle. Move this piece from there. Use the T37. You can put it inside of there. This piece, you're going to turn to the left. Turn to the left. And screw it all the way. Don't worry about the screw falling down to the door because there is a guy that stopped the screw from falling down to the door. Now you did that. Do that and take your flathead screwdriver, pry it open. Sometimes when it don't comes out all the way, you put the screwdriver in between it and you hold it just like that. You hold it with some pressure on it and you screw it out again. You screw it again. See? Falls right out like butter, baby. That's how you do that. Now you can take out this handle. Sometimes this handle comes with the wire attached to it. Sometimes they don't. If you have the wire attached to it, you gotta take this piece off. Sometimes. See what I'm talking about? This one has the wire to it. That's the wire that I'm talking about. Now I gotta take this piece off of there. In order to get this piece off of there, I gotta get the glass from out of there. Alright, now let's get this glass out of there to get this handle from out of there because the wire is inside there. You're gonna turn on the car switch, you're gonna hook this back up. Put that back up. Y'all see that right there? Bust it open. Don't worry about it. This is a one-time use. Now you're going to bring the glass up until you see the screw. Bang, right there. One right there, one right there. Number 10. That's one. Two. Now you go ahead and pull the glass out. Now, since we pull the glass out, we gotta loose those three and loose those bolts. And we're gonna drop this and take that piece out of there. All right, that right there, those are T30. T30. Take those stir of them. And you're gonna take those screws out of there. Those two screws, do not move those screws because those two screws is for the window regulator. You don't need to move those two, just the one around it. You're gonna pry it out. Oh man. See that? Go ahead and pry it out. See that wire right there? That's it right there. You're gonna hold it. Unplug it. Take it out. Remember, it's two of them, it's not one. It's two of them. That's how you do that. It's two of them. This one on bottom, that on top. That's how you do that. All you gotta do is go and put this thing back and put two screws in it just to hold it until the car is finished fixing paint, all right? I'll see you do that, guys. We'll work your way and check it out.